I poison it now.
We're gonna stick together.
Can we crouch?
Here, guys, come here.
Can we
Come back
crouch?
over.
Crouch, boys, crouch.
Come back to the rail. We're gonna be the pillar men. We're just gonna stand.
No, over me! Where are you at?
Coming for you. Coming for you.
The medic Ubered! My son! My son!
He's trying to put us down.
Just keep me alive. I am God.
Did you clip that?
No!
Run! We gotta run! No! They're after me.
I'm gonna fucking die!
They're after me. They're gonna kill me.
I need a moment, hold on.
Screaming, my son.
Go back in there,
He's still
Tiger!
alive.
What is it with those heavy stains still doing that?
I am God. Dare speak down to God?
I am fucking crying.
I need a medic, no!
Yes, I do.
I can't fucking handle this right now.
Screaming, my son.
Oh my god. What the fuck are we doing?
Go back in. Go back in here, okay, guys.
My parents just texted me and they're like, we can hear you from up here. Like we're trying to sleep, shut the hell up. Oh god, what time is it? Alright, I'm gonna go to the gym. After this game, Jesus Christ. Shit's so
Come
fucking
on.
stupid.
Come on,
It's so good.
We gotta stop him, boys.
Billy, did you clip so you're like screaming?